Good morning, everybody. This is what a beautiful LS 441 runs like. 700 and change, and it made about 650 foot-pounds of torque. Here at Proformance Unlimited, we're the professionals when it comes to crate engines. We build almost anything you like in American-style engines. You see all our videos, check them out. Hey, me, Steve, and the young kid Quentin, we build anything here, man. So again, here at Proformance Unlimited, it's quality first. Peace. Okay, Jack, I got your 1960 Cadillac Deville engine on a dyno. Happens to be the 441. We're going to fire it up, give you a run demo.